There are three parts in the IELTS speaking test, and I'll let you know before each of the parts starts. So now this is time for IELTS speaking part 1. In this IELTS speaking part 1, I would like to ask you a few questions about yourself. What do you do? Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student and currently I'm studying in university at first year.
All right. And what kind of activities do you like to do with your family members?
I like to do gossip with them, and in my free time I like to watch movies with them. So I think that it's a great chance to spend a quality time with my family members.
All right. So now I would like to ask you some questions about summer. Is summer your favorite time of the year?
Definitely not, because I hate summer and I prefer winter rather than summer.
All right. What do you do in summer when the weather's very hot?
I like to take showers because when it's summer I feel very uncomfortable and I like to sleep on the floor.
All right. Do you go on holiday every summer?
I don't go often in any vacation on summer. If I get holidays, if I feel to go on a vacation, then at that time I go.
Did you enjoy the summer holidays when you were at school?
Yes, I did, and it was a great time because at that time I love to went on a holidays when I was at school, and it was a lovely moment. I often went on a vacation with my friends.
All right. Thank you very much. That is the end of our speaking part 1. So now we'll move to our speaking part 2. In this our speaking part 2, I will be giving you a cue card and you'll be given 1 minute for your preparation. If you wish, you can make notes. Okay. So take this white page fast. And this is your cue card with the pen, please. Okay. So your allocated 1 minute time starts now. Alright, so try to speak for at least 2 minutes, but remember one thing, you shouldn't stop unless I stop you. You can start now.
So I would like to talk about a luxury item I would like to buy in the future. It would be a car which is called a Ferrari, and I'm fond of cars, so I wanted to buy a car in the future, and I find that the Ferrari is really looks captivating, and whenever I see any Ferrari, whenever I see the car in any street, I feel like over the moon, and I don't know why I really love this car. And also I like other cars like Lamborghini and Toyota and others. But among them I wish to buy a Ferrari, and it has many facilities, and I can go anywhere if I wanted to, or if I buy any car in the future. And I feel like this car has many features which are not available in other cars, and this car is my mom also loved this car, so I wanted to buy a car for her as well. And in my life my dad bought 2 or 3 kind of cars, but we never had a car like Ferrari. So that is the reason why I wanted to buy this car. And this car, and also my friends has this car, so I love to buy this car. And
Thank you very much. That is the end of our speaking part 2. So I'm taking the papers back. So we have done our speaking part 1 and 2. This is time for our speaking part 3. In this our speaking part 3, I would like to ask you some follow-up questions based on the cue card. My first question is, which expensive items would many young people like to buy?
I think many young people, especially teenagers, they would love to buy a expensive mobile phone, which is iPhone. People are becoming very people are becoming very attract to the mobile iPhone. They think that it have good features and it looks attractive.
All right. How do the expensive items that younger people want to buy differ from those that older people want to buy?
Can you repeat the question?
How do the expensive items that younger people want to buy differ from those that older people want to buy?
Because people, it's depend on the people, and people have different choices, and I think that, and I believe that younger people and the older people, they both have different choices and they both have this different interests based on the time.
Okay, thank you. Do you think that people are more likely to buy expensive items for their friends or for themselves?
I think people prefer to buy expensive things for themselves rather than their friends, because nowadays people are rare to buy expensive things for their friends.
All right, so let me ask you some questions about rich people. How difficult is it to become very rich in today's world?
I don't think it's very challenging for people to become rich nowadays, because if you have skills, then you can easily become rich. And nowadays everything has become very advanced, so it's become very easy to become rich in a short time.
Okay. Do you agree that money does not necessarily bring happiness?
I don't agree about that. Money, of course, money bring happiness, and nowadays, if you have money, then you can buy anything. And if you don't have money, then you will people will be stressed, and there will be feel difficulty in for living. And so that is the reason why I think that money is the thing which, if people have this, people will feel more happy.
In what ways might rich people use their money to help society?
I think they can contribute their money on the society's poor people, and the schools and the mosque, or in any
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. That is the end of the speaking test. So, speaking part 1, okay, fine. Part 2, okay, fine. In terms of information এর ক্ষেত্রে part 1 তো ঠিক আছে, বাট part 3 তে ইনফরমেশন কম, বিশেষ করে ক্লিয়ারেন্স নাই, আনসারের মধ্যে ক্লিয়ারেন্স নাই। Especially, I would like to mention a question: how do the expensive items that younger people want to buy differ from those that older people want to buy? তো বয়স্করা এবং ইয়াংরা যে এক্সপেন্সিভ আইটেম কিনে, এর মধ্যে পার্থক্যটা তাহলে এটা আমরা এইভাবে আনসার দিতে পারি। Younger people choose the trendy and expensive things which is colorful and that matches with the running trend, and they can show up their social status among the others. On the other hand, older people like to buy those expensive things which are related to our real life and will be useful in our daily life. So that can be the difference. And older people always think about others. For example, if I talk about grandparents, they like to buy things for their grandchildren, but younger people always buy for themselves. That's the difference.
Bujar question বুঝছি না, like
If you do not understand the question, that's not the business of the examiners. He is here to cut your marks. Now, short যদি feedback দেই, grammatical variation কম, as usual সবাই same problem, grammatical variationটা কম, তো grammatical mistakeটা comparatively একটু কম আছে। অ্যাডভান্স ভোকাবুলারি একটু ভালো হইলে ভালো হইতো, একটু কম হইছে।
গ্রামার ভেরিয়েশন মানে কোন
different kind of কোন গ্রামার, এগুলো তো রাইটিং এ তো বুঝাই দিলাম। if, so that, not only, but also, although, passive তো আয় না, passive তো পাওয়াই যায় না। আচ্ছা, আবার ফ্লুয়েন্সি এন্ড কোহেরেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে মাঝে মধ্যে মামলিং একটু প্রবলেম আছে। প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন মোটামুটি ঠিক আছে। অ্যাডভান্স ওয়ার্ডের মধ্যে ফন্ড অফ, ক্যাপটিভেটিং, ফিচার্স, ডিফিকাল্টি আরো কিছু আছে, বাট আর একটু হইলে ভালো হয়। সো এই পারফরমেন্সে আমি 6 দিতে পারবো। আরো কিছু মিস্টেক আছে, ওইগুলো মাইনর মিস্টেক, ওগুলো ধরার দরকার নেই। যেমন সাবজেক্ট ভার্ব এগ্রিমেন্ট, যেমন মানি ব্রিং হ্যাপিনেস, ইউ সেড মানি ব্রিং হ্যাপিনেস, মানি ব্রিং হ্যাপিনেস না, মানি ব্রিংস হ্যাপিনেস। থ্যাংক ইউ।